Improve your project with Kanban. Feeling overwhelmed with your project? Let's turn chaos into clarity with Kanban. First up, visualize your workflow. Picture a board with stages like to do, in progress, and done. Each task is a card that glides through these columns, showcasing progress. It's like watching your project come to life. Next, limit your work in progress. Too many tasks at once. That's a recipe for disaster. Set a cap on how many tasks can be in progress at once. You'll be amazed at the focus and efficiency this brings. Then, let's talk feedback loops. Regularly review your Kanban board with the team. These discussions will shine a light on what's working and what needs fixing. Feedback is your friend. And don't forget to celebrate small wins. Each task completed is a step forward in your journey. So, are you ready to take charge of your projects? Kanban is here to simplify your life. Start your Kanban journey today and watch your productivity soar. Go ahead, give it a try.